Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put a bookmark to a site in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome app. On the top right corner you can see these three dots. Tap on the three dots. Then you can see this little star. This site is bookmarked for me. I'm going to another site too, for example YouTube. On the top right corner, tap on three dots, tap on this little star sign. Then you add it to your bookmark. Then, by opening here, tap on bookmarks. This is the fifth option, and mobile bookmarks. And here you will find your sites where you put it bookmark. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.